Okay, before I start, here are what I'll use. Some brooches and pinity or pins. So one long and one short. First, frame it according to your face and pin it inwards where the long side is, and bring that side to the other side of your face or your inner. Then just hold on to your short side like so, while you just bring over the long side to your shoulders and just let it rest there, and adjust the back because you want it long or short, just adjust it however you want. And then this is important, I pin it inwards such that it will be flowy, and I open up the short side of my hijab up and bring it all over to my shoulder like so, and I pin them together. I take another brooch and pin it at my other shoulders. And here is the completed look, very long and elegant. For the second style, as usual, one short and one long, but this time instead of pinning it at the long side, we're going to pin at the short side and then bring the short side of the hijab over to your inner scarf towards the other end and pin it there. And then this is very simple, just throw it. Just throw your hijab to your shoulders and adjust it however you prefer. So it's just me adjusting it and then pinning it with a brooch, and I kind of like pin it outwards again. And because I don't like how droopy that part is, I'm going to take another brooch and pin it towards my neck so that it does not fall off that much. Then secure the shoulders a bit. Here's the look, the front and the back, very cute, very elegant and simple. Okay, for the last hijab tutorial, we're going to need 2 magnets, and as usual, one long, one short. And then after you frame it on your face, you bring both sides of the hijab towards your neck at the back, and you pin it down with a brooch. After so, just bring it back to the front. And this is a bit complicated, so take a look at how I place my magnets. I'm going to put the magnet side over there. Words can't describe to you how I actually do this. You just have to look and try to understand. So after putting my magnet inside, I bring that hijab, that piece of cloth over to my face, and then secure it with the magnet and adjust. Yeah, just bring it over, do the same process. You put the magnet that you don't want to show on the inside and bring it over to your face. Push it inside and clip the magnets together. You have to bring over that long unattended hijab. So, and just pin it below your shoulders, and then bring the one at the back to the front and pin it at the shoulder as well. And then because my magnet keeps moving, I pin it there to secure it. And here's how it looks like from the front and back. Anyways, Eid Mubarak to you. Bye bye.